Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can update our WordPress theme. So first of all, let me log in into my WordPress website. Here you can see you can simply log in by using /wp-admin, then add username and password, then click on login button. So guys, now here you can see in WordPress dashboard, scroll down. In appearance, click here themes. Now scroll down. Then here you can see new version is available. Click on update button. And here you can see theme is updated. So now if you want to change WordPress theme, just you can click here add new theme. Then scroll down. Here you can see these are free WordPress themes. So you can easily install any of the WordPress theme that you want. If you want to delete any WordPress theme, just you can go back to the themes. Then scroll down. Here you can see I want to delete this theme. So let me scroll down, select the theme, click the delete button, then click OK. So guys, in this way you can easily update, install and delete any WordPress theme that you want.